Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, check that out. We've got some Brussels sprouts. I got olive oil. I got balsamic vinegar, a little pepper, salt, and some bacon. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today I'm going to show you how to make killer Brussels sprouts. Now, a lot of people are like, Mike, you can't make Brussels sprouts. It's like broccoli. I can't eat this stuff. No, these are very healthy, cruciferous vegetables, very healthy for you. This is a way to make them taste delicious. Or adding bacon. Can't be all bad. Check it out. It's a fast, simple, and easy recipe. My mouth's watering for killer Brussels sprouts. All right, I got this on medium to medium high. We're going to put a good amount of olive oil in here because we're going to fry these babies up. Let's drop the Brussels in. Oh, they're snapping. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a good char on these. Oh, that's perfect. Each one is touching. And it's going to take a little while. So let's give that a few minutes. You can see some are already starting to brown up. Make sure there's plenty. Don't be shy with the olive oil. All right, we're going to put a little salt in here. That's enough for now. And some black pepper. That's enough for now too. All right, these are frying up nice. Not supposed to touch them too much, but you know, I can't help myself. I like to touch them. Get a good char on both sides. So we're going to do one side and char it over. All right, let's flip some of this around. Get them on both sides. Yeah. You'll be surprised how amazing this tastes. It's okay if you char them up like that. That's the goal. Flip them a little. Keep monitoring the heat. I had to put this down a little. Just a little. Add a little more pepper. A little more salt. All right, how are we looking? I flipped a few of them. Getting there. All right, how are we doing? The small ones are getting done. The big ones are just a little more time. I think we got most of them turned. Oh yeah, let them cook. I'm going to say a few more minutes. We should be ready. I'll show you what we do next. Make killer, delicious Brussels sprouts. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a final mix up. All right, these babies, how do they look? I think they look pretty good. Wait till I finish this up with the balsamic and the bacon, the double beans. All right, I shut the heat off. See, there's still a little buildup of oil. I'm going to drain this oil, and then I'm going to show you what I do next. We took these off the heat, and now we're going to use a little of this balsamic vinegar, just a little. Anything acidic, you could use lemon juice if you want. The balsamic's going to take it to the next level. There you go. Probably about a tablespoon. And then you throw the bacon in. Then you're going to mix it. All right. And I'm going to serve this baby up. Can't wait. There's the close-up of it. Finish it off with just a little more pepper. Put it around the sides of the plate to make it look nice. And a little on top. Killer Brussels sprouts with bacon. Big bite coming up. Oh yeah, baby. There it is. Check it out. Oh, it's charred. So you say, is it burnt, Mike? No. Check this out. Crunchy on the outside, soft and delicious on the inside. The balsamic is just enough to give it a tang. And guess what wants to say hello? You guessed it. The bacon. Eating healthy, I'm cheating. Who said Brussels sprouts could be fun? Who said eating healthy can't be great? Check these out. Killer Diller. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Till next time, peace. All I can say is, sweet baboo.
Live life 365.
Mike Foster here. Whoops. There are your killer. Hoo hoo hoo. Piece of bacon, try this good. My wife is starving. She can't wait to try these. Oh wow. It doesn't have to be a fried egg, still good. But more fried egg videos coming up too. But check this one out. Bye bye.